Legs shoulder width apart. Weights on our thighs. And when you come up, squeeze these glute muscles. And remember to breathe, you guys. And really connect with your body. Okay, let's work these arms. And one thing that I want you to remind you of, whether you do Pilates or cardio, walking, dance, swimming, whatever it is, remember, movement is freedom. Okay, I'm gonna change it up again. Now on this one, if you need to put down one of the weights, depending upon how heavy they are, you can do exactly that. Mine are relatively light. I've got 5-pounders, so I'm just holding them together while I do this chest press. Okay, weights up. And high knee lift. High knee lift. It's early, you guys. And always remember, keep these abdominal muscles engaged. Protect the core muscle, the spine and your core. Okay. Feet turn out. Gotta get these inner thighs. And also at the same time, compound movement. Get some more arm work in here. Give me a few more, and we're gonna change it up. All right. Upright row. And of course, if you're not using the weight, again, your own body resistance. So when you go up and down, resist the movement. And you will definitely feel the difference. Last one. Hold these weights up. Open, open, and both together. Last one. All right, you guys. Strength segment is over. Time to focus on these core muscles. Now, the first one I am calling a bear hug. Pull these abs in and out. Give you a side view so you can see the motion. Pull in. Really focus on these core muscles. It's like there's something tightening as you pull in and then releasing. Last one. Clasp these hands together, extend up, and tilt to the left. Extend up and tilt to the right. Okay, hands down and pelvic tilt. Squeeze, release, and squeeze, release. You got it. High five, you guys. Excellent, awesome, fantastic work. Once again, for showing up for Fabulous You, full body workout. Regardless of whether or not you're a beginner or senior, any level, this workout will work for you. Just modify it to suit your own fitness level. And don't forget the rest of the equation to hydrate, nutrient-rich, high-protein foods. Check out my description. Please do subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed what we did here today, we turned it out, you guys. And as always, I want to thank you all so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special. And I will see you right here soon. And thanks for joining us.